Okay. Ready? Yeah. Looking around the room, I can tell that you are the most beautiful girl in the room. And when you're on the street, depending on the street, I bet you are definitely in the top three. Good looking girls on the street, depending on the street. When I saw you at my man's place, I thought, what is she doing at my man's place? How did you get a hottie like that to a party like this? Good one, Dan. Ooh, you're a legend. I asked him if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I said, Dan, do you mind if I do? He says he doesn't mind. I can tell he kinda minds, but I'm gonna do it anyway. See you standing all alone by the stereo, till the lights down very low. You're so beautiful. You could be a waitress. You're so beautiful. You could be a air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. You could be a part-time model. To seal the deal, I do my moves, I do my dance. It's 12:02, just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor. I join in, let's get out of here, let's get in the cab. I'll buy you a kebab. I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. Ooh. Why don't we leave? Let's go to my house so we can look each other up on my couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow. No, yeah. You're so beautiful, like a dream. Oh, some spicy when you dip. Oh, you could be a part-time model, but you probably still have to keep your normal job. Part-time model. Spend part of your time modeling, part of your time next to me. My place is usually tiny as this. Thank you very much.